Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning to another video. Rush Shift here, and today we're shifting into the SRT, taking her for a nice little cruise down PCH. I'm with my buddy. I'm sure you guys can see him behind me there in his Scatpack, and we're just gonna have a nice relaxed cruise today. I miss driving this thing. I know you guys miss seeing it too. So side boo's not been getting much love on the channel lately, but don't worry, today we're gonna change that. I just filled her up with a full tank of gas. Now we're going to wash her real fast and head down to the beach area. It's a beautiful day, about 81 degrees outside today, so it is the perfect day to have the windows down and kind of cruise along the coast here. So let's go ahead and get her done. Hope you guys are excited for this video. If you are tuning in for the first time, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get the show on the road. Here we go. Oh man, you got gapped good right there. Huh? You got that gap. What a beautiful day this to cruise. 78 degrees outside. That wind just, woo, boy. Finally, some California weather. No more rain, man. We're so tired of the rain around here. And this is why I bought this car, for this kind of weather right here. And let me guess, looks like there's a bunch of traffic heading down to the beach that we're gonna have to deal with. No good. Ooh, check out that Ferrari. Woo! Thing sounds good. And we're stuck in beach traffic. This is the part that is not fun right here. We have to wait for all these people to get to the beach, and it is a 2-lane road. It takes quite a bit to get there. So we might just end up pulling a U-turn and go on a different route. Go a different way, just follow me. Oh my God, I'm gonna call Alex and see what he said about that. Yo.
You hear me?
Yeah. Yo, how'd that look from outside?
Alright, you gotta say that one more time, bro.
I said, how did that look from outside?
Dude, from the outside, that looks pretty fucking badass. You had everybody in that line looking at you.
Oh my God.
Everybody in that fucking line was just staring you down, like.
Oh man, it looked cool though.
Fucking good though. I wish you would have told me. I would have recorded that shit.
I wasn't really planning on it, but I was in first gear, like in manual mode, and I just kind of got on it and it just held it. So I just kept going. It was like sliding really smooth, and I'm like, hell yeah, keep going.
Yeah, did you have traction off or was it on?
No, traction, actually no, I'm in sport mode, so traction was off. A little bit, not all the way off.
Yeah.
But that was a nice, like, smooth slide.
Cool, though, for real. Yeah, I wish I had my Gopro on you, dude. That shit would have been so cool. Hey, it looked really fucking cool though, for real.
That's awesome. Did it look like I knew what I was doing though?
Yeah, because you didn't get sideways. I mean, you got sideways, but you didn't get like out of control. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was a controlled peel out.
That's pretty sexy. I give myself props for that one. All right,
Good
for
job,
sure.
bro. Good job.
All right, just follow me.
Bro, talk to you, man.
Okay, bye. Alrighty, guys. Well, I wasn't really planning on doing that, but sometimes you just gotta send it, and that was just a little baby send. Yo, a McLaren, man. That thing is nice. I'll do a little pull for you guys. I'll let you hear her. Oh, baby, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Man, this is the kind of day that you want to have an SRT. Hear that Hemi roar? It sucks there's a little bit of traffic right now, but we'll get around it. So I'll pick up the video here as soon as we get to the PCH and get to the beach. Here we go. Oh man. What's up, buddy? What's up? Yo, Side Boo does work on these Scatpacks. Yeah, fishtailed, huh? Oh my god, he's saying he's fishtailed. Come on, we were rolling off like a 40. And he's got some monster truck tires on his car. I think I need to take off that SRT badge off his car now. Good baby Side Boo, man. She did work. She hasn't run in a while. But this weather is just asking for nice clean runs. Here he comes, here he comes. I mean, it sounds good, it just is slow. Your car sounds good, but it's slow. Your car is slow. Alrighty guys, so I'm parking up right now because we just finished our little cruise here. Found a good spot to chill, and I found this cool Hellcat next to me. I'll show you that Hellcat in a minute. This guy has so many badges on there. He's scared that people will forget that it's a Hellcat, but I mean, it's pretty obvious. And I think it's pretty hilarious, so here we go. Let's go give Alex a hard time over that L that he just took. Here we go. We'll look at that in a minute. Hey, buddy. What happened? What happened? The SRT.
SRT didn't kick in.
I have to show you guys. The SRT badge didn't give you enough power or what?
Yeah, man. It didn't kick in.
Look at that. Scatpack owner with an SRT badge, and you took a massive L. There's a weight difference too.
Scatpacks are SRTs too. All right.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
I mean, they have like, I don't know. I didn't want to get into it, but but it's not. I wouldn't say it's a SRT.
Ask them in the comments.
What?
Scatpacks SRTs. Ask them.
But they're not.
They are.
Like, there's a difference. There's a reason there's a Scatpack and an SRT. What? Open up your engine. I'll tell you, the only thing that you have from an SRT is that engine right there. That's it. See this right here?
Yeah.
That's an SRT engine.
Powered by SRT.
But it's not an SRT though. It's powered by one.
Right, let the comments decide.
Actually, I don't think I've ever seen mine. Oh, you have an oil catch can?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, adds 50 horsepower.
Not enough apparently. Oh, and you have an air intake.
It's the shaker one.
Damn. And he's still lost? Alrighty guys. So, I don't know. You guys be the judge. You on the second one, you even jumped me, by the way. Don't think I forgot that. I saw you go on too. Alrighty guys, so now let's take a look at this Hellcat. It looks like it's wrapped. So as you can see there, it's got a wrap on it. A lot of Hellcat badges everywhere. Some on the lights right there. Some on the fender. A big one on the back quarter panel. And I've never seen it on the inside, but I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But it's got one on the headrest too, so it's pretty crazy. Let's see if there's any more on the back. So there's one last one on the license plate, and obviously the spoiler or wicker bell. But man, oh man, thing is wrapped. I like the wrap color. It's just I think the finish of it isn't the best. So alrighty guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun cruising PCH, always a good time. Beautiful weather outside. If you did enjoy this video and you want more, make sure you leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you're new. My name is Rush. Today I'm cruising in the SRT. Tomorrow we'll shift gears into the Mustang, and I'll see you then. Peace.